What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change the battery in a GM key fob. So this key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to need a flathead screwdriver. So if we take a look at the bottom of the fob near the key ring, you can see there's this little bit of a notch right here. What you want to do is get your screwdriver in that notch and then just use it to pry the two halves apart like that. And then once they're started, you can just open it with your hands. Then in the back of the case, we can see our battery right here. Get the old battery out, grab our new one, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. And then go ahead and just snap the two halves back together. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.